internet. My name is Matt Robinson. I'm a community musician here at Concert House Dortmund, and I'm going to share with you a little tiny song today, which I've been using in workshops and stuff for a good few years now because I really like it. It's dead simple. You can use it in all kinds of contexts. You can teach instruments, you can do it as round, you can add layers to it. So it's a great starting point. It's called Yalla, Tnam. Whenever I do it wordless, because that's how I was taught it. Although there are words, you can look it up. It's originally a Syrian kids song, and I learned this by some Syrian kids in Norway, of all places, as part of a project called Sinklis with the great Mayabuga Per Jurgensen and Talle Insungset. It became part of what we did there when we were building this kind of interactive concert workshop thing called Sinklis, where the kids in the audience, sometimes up to like 300 of them, were completely in control of what was happening, but no one ever explained it to them. I only ever worked with kids. Adults would take it too seriously. Anyway, this became part of our repertoire and still is part of my sort of standard community music workshop repertoire. I'd never explain it, I'd just do it and see what happens. Because it's dead simple, I'm going to attempt to play it on this broken violin for you, as well as sing it. This may be a mistake. La 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 la. It's super nice. It's in the minor key, which is always lovely for simple songs that anyone can play because it's a bit different. And it's quite quiet. I'd always start in that very quiet thing like that and see what happens. You can always build from there and add percussion or whatever. There's no kind of set patterns that I use. There's loads of ways of teaching it. One of my things that I tend to do, because it's so simple and only has 5 notes in it, especially if you're teaching instruments like glockenspiels, or you can play with people, I guess. Give each people a note or do it as a hocket, but you could go la 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 la. Tricky bit. La 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 la. One more time. La 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 la. And it doesn't resolve until next time round. So it can go round and round and round, and just play with it. Go from there. I've done it with kids, with adults. There's ways into things, which with loads of chords underneath it as well. So I use it as a kind of starting point for exploration. It's rather good for all of that. Enjoy!